Hey guys, David Patrick Green, HackHollywood.com here with another awesome video. Please like, share, and click the notifications button. And if you got any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. So as you can see, I'm having a bit of a hair day. I'm not going to say bad, but there's hair there. And today's video is how to be a baller in the room. Okay, it's how to kill your auditions. And really the best way to kill your auditions is to walk in with total confidence, not worrying about what it is you think they want and how you're going to get the job. It has nothing to do with booking whatsoever. It's just to go in there and have a great time being yourself, showing them who you really are. It's that simple. You walk in and you've got to have energy that is ready to show what it is that you bring to the table. The first thing you do is personally greet everyone in the room. You don't have to run around shaking hands or anything like that, but you acknowledge them and take your time. There's no rush. And see, this is what a lot of actors do. They're thinking about the performance, so they aren't really present when they are meeting the people. And that is, you're actually going to have more of a chance to book the job if you make that first positive impression. They will actually forgive you if you don't do, the perfect audition. And they're not looking for the perfect audition. We think that's what they're looking for. What they're looking for is the person that matches what their idea of the role is, which of course we have no idea what it is, so you don't have to worry about it. Just go in, be fully present, and enjoy yourself in the room and greet everyone. Hey, this is Kevin. This is, Tamik, whatever, whoever they are. Hey, how are you? And you could even tell a little story like, oh, sorry I'm late. I was being chased by a dog. The dog ate my homework, whatever. Be charming, be fun, be enjoyable, not long-winded. Say, wow, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let me tell you, I had a really interesting weekend. I had a pool party, and as it turns out, my friend's house, they had a crack in the pool, and when we got there, the pool was empty. Like, funny, right? Anyway, enjoy yourself, have fun, and then when you do your audition, again, just be yourself. Force yourself to come through and stop worrying about what you think people want, and you will do a tremendous job, and you will not only increase your chances of getting that job because you are just showing who you really are, and then they can actually choose who you are if that's their choice. But what's more important is that it sets you up for future successes, because now they know who you are. They probably like it because you were enjoyable, and they saw that you can go into serious mode or whatever dramatic mode you needed, or comedy mode, whatever whatever the audition called for. And then you will get called back in over and over and over. Word will spread. You will become a huge success, and you'll become famous, and then you'll thank me later. All right, guys, that's it. So please, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for future videos, put them in the comment section below, and I will talk to you soon.